What's going on, everybody? This is Wednesday night, 7:46 p.m. right now. What happened today? This morning I actually went to get a permanent resident card for my sister because she lost everything. And then after that I got my SIM card and then visit my sister. After that I started doing the pranks. I finished the pranks actually. I went to Yorkdale Mall. This is the first time I'm doing pranks in Yorkdale Mall, and I got it done. It was good. And Yorkdale Mall was not as big as I thought, but it's a good prank. It was a song by some other language guy. So I didn't do the Tech 69, or I didn't do other song. What is that? I had a target of doing Tech 69 or Senorita, but I end up doing something else. That's how the day went. And what else? I finished the prank. I just had to edit that and upload it. And today I'm going to talk about one thing: the truth about viral content. Truth about viral content. Like, people always plan, think how to make a video viral, and they spend a lot of time on it. That the secret for a viral content is be consistent and putting a lot of contents. Like, let's say you put 100 contents and reach 5 million views, but you can also do the same thing by planning for 10 days and putting a video and it become 5 million. But sometimes the planning 10 days, you might end up being 73,000 views, and you never know. You cannot predict what exactly going to be the views. You cannot predict the quality. So when you put a lot of stuff, you have a lot of chances, like without worrying about the quality. And if you start putting a lot of stuff, that way it becomes much more viral. It's better to put 100 contents and reach 5 million than trying to make just one video to reach 5 million. So reach just posting one video to get the 5 million views. It's all about putting a lot of stuff and being consistent. That's what I want to talk, man. That's the secret for a viral content. And that's it. I'm going to just go and edit my prank video and upload on my YouTube. Hopefully it will be good. See you guys later.